Hi guys, I'm Christopher. Oh, that's my real name. And on YouTube, I'm starting a new channel. And in that channel, I'm gonna do all sorts of fun stuff like dancing. Most of you won't like the dance and stuff, but most of you will like the Minecraft stuff. And I'm a kid, and I know how to dance, play Minecraft, and I'm gonna do all that fun stuff, and well, good luck on me, and I hope I can get more subscribers than before. So I'll show you, but most of you won't like this, but I know one of you will, like 3. I'm gonna dance Michael Jackson, which some people don't like anymore, and some other songs, and I hope you like it. Bye bye. Not bye bye, but have a great weekend. I'm starting my new channel on maybe today, tomorrow, or whatever, which day, or Thursday or next week. I'm gonna start my channel. Good luck.